it's Laynie and welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you are having a great week. We're gonna do a little sniff with me today. I've been loving my Scentbird subscription. It's an affordable way to test out perfumes without breaking my bank, ruining my budget, which is appreciated right now because so much is very expensive. But you know I still want to play with all the perfumes. Today we're gonna sniff two of my recent Scentbirds. This is Fugazi Angel Dust and Fugazi Vanilla Haze, which I feel like I've been hearing a lot about both of them. People really seem to love this brand and these two fragrances. So if you want to hear my thoughts, make sure you click that subscribe button. Join the community here. You won't regret it. I'll try not to ramble, but you know I will. All right, let's get going. Okay, so I'm gonna start with Vanilla Haze because I love vanilla. That's honestly the reason. And I've definitely heard people talking about this on YouTube. I would definitely say vanilla is one of my top notes in fragrance. I love most vanillas. It's just such a likable scent. All right, in here we do have a lot of nutty notes going on. Almond, hazelnut, and coconut with some mandarin in the top. Then in the middle we have vanilla pod, tonka bean, jasmine. In the base, we're getting some richness with caramel, musk, cashmere wood, and amber. This does sound like it's gonna be pretty rich, maybe a little more fall, winter. The accords are vanilla, sweet, nutty, caramel, caramel, however you say it. I know there's a big debate with that. I do think caramel is probably the correct way. Amber, almond, woody, powdery. Then we get some musky and some coconut. But then having coconut, I'm like, maybe it is more summery. I definitely get the nuttiness. It's sweet. It's edible. At first blast, it almost gives me like a cakey vibe, maybe like a breakfast cake with a drizzle of sweetness on top. It is not too sweet, which I like. I am getting the coconut, not in a beachy or sunscreen way currently, more in the actual like flesh of a coconut. This is gonna sound weird, but when you eat coconut, it's kind of got this like firm but soft, almost like a little bit rubbery texture, and I'm actually kind of getting that in here. Maybe even waxy is a way to describe it. With the name Vanilla Haze, I actually thought I was gonna get more vanilla. Yes, it's in there, but this isn't what I think of when I think vanilla. This is one of those fragrances that to me, to my nose, in my preferences, again, first impression here, haven't worn it on skin, gives me kind of candle vibes. Again, with that little bit like waxiness. This is something I almost would rather my home smell like versus to wear. It just kind of gives me a little bit candle vibes. People are saying it's a sophisticated and mature, creamy gourmand. I could see that because this is not playful, young, juvenile sweetness. This does go more sophisticated. I will say it's actually got a nice amount of sweetness because I cannot do overly sweet anymore. This isn't pure frosting, melted ice cream. This is like that perfect balance of sweet and almost a little bit savory actually. This probably has just a little bit more of that savory vibe than I typically like. I don't hate this at all. Will I wear this trial? Yes. Am I very glad I didn't purchase a full bottle? Absolutely. And I think there's a lot of people who would be disappointed with the name like Vanilla Haze, that this does lean a little bit more to that savory coconut side versus the real vanillic side. I'll play with it. I'll wear it. I don't hate it, but not absolutely in love with Vanilla Haze by any means. The next one I'm really excited about because I have heard so many people talking about it recently, Fugazi Angel Dust. Angel Dust has notes of cashmere musk, cashmerian, pepper, white amber, and bergamot. Reading those, I kind of feel like I'm gonna get a your skin but better type of vibe. What makes me nervous in that note lineup is the pepper. I have purchased fragrances in the past that I really enjoyed, but on my skin, the pepper comes out too much and it does something a little funky that I'm not in love with. So let's see what Angel Dust is all about. In here we have accords of musky, absolutely powdery, yes, but not too much, amber, fresh, spicy, woody, and citrus. To me, this is very unisex. A man or a woman could definitely rock this. The initial blast is like perfection. Perfection. I love that musky, your skin but better, sophisticated, elegant woman vibe. Then that pepper starts to come forward and it is a little too peppery for me. I wish it was a pink pepper. I am a huge fan of pink pepper. It is like the perfect spice to me, but it's not like stanky or bothersome. It just adds like this warmth. I like it. 2 fragrances. I do really get a black pepper vibe. That for me, I feel like it's gonna go a little BO-y. I can't lie. Like, I'd have to really test it on skin, but it makes me nervous smelling it. The black pepper also gives just a little masculine edge to the dry down. The opening was very perfectly unisex to me. Now it's going just a whisper into masculine. I am surprised with the name like Angel Dust. Yes, it is very soft. It is very faint. This is not going to be a powerhouse. You're not going to fill the room. This is a light fragrance. But Angel Dust to me, just what I see in my head when I hear that, is like a fluffy, soft, feminine cloud. Yes, angels could be men and women, but I won't lie. I picture females when I think of the cartoony sense of an angel. Dust, sure, but I don't know. I think I was thinking something just a little bit more feminine than the dry down of Angel Dust. This is, again, not super original. I have smelled things like this. If you like Glossier You, yep. If you like Letta 22 Oris, yep. If you like Victoria's Secret Bear, yep. It's being compared to Juicebox Cheeky Smile, which I haven't smelled in a while, but from memory, I do feel like they would wear pretty similarly. Some people are saying in the reviews, very addictive, and I could see that there is something very enticing and addictive to your skin, but better. People want to get close to you, they want to talk to you, they want to hug you, they want to see what you're all about. So I could definitely see that with Angel Dust. Not what I was expecting from the name, but I get it. In the deep dry down, I'm actually starting to really like it. I'm really excited to play with this on skin because the black pepper is fading and I'm really liking the deep dry down. It's a little bit mysterious and captivating, which I really like. I'm really excited to play with it and see how it wears on my skin. I hope that black pepper doesn't come out and smack me right in the face. All right, guys, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this sniff with me. I love playing with perfume. As always, please try to stay positive because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Mwah! Bye-bye.